We're in Marpha Village, Himachan Homes, Thakali Kitchen. So we want to do for dinner today here, and dinner is preparing by restaurant owner, and we're just waiting and trying to get whatever we can get to eat because we're too hungry. We did like 9,000 feet altitude today, and like everyone is so hungry. And this restaurant looks great, you know, beautiful flower, and wow, is this watermelon real? I'm not sure, so I'm not gonna touch it. Flowers look amazing here. So it's sitting area. So plants looks good. There is like another sitting area here. Looks awesome. So many options we have here, sitting and eating. So nice beautiful scenery here in that wall. So nice lighting combination. So far feeling so good. Not sure about like the taste of the food, so we'll try it and we will keep you guys posted. Just wanted to show you where we are and where we're eating. So this is like mountain here beside us, clouds. Here is lots of clouds and wind. So wind, heavy wind here. Thank you, and see you after we eat.